So good afternoon. Well, that has been a week. I was at Clay's house last weekend, and what we winded up doing is we replaced all springs for the valve springs, and all the valve stem seals. And that fixed quite a problem. We had a leakage in cylinder number 4 at 65%. And a leakage of 90% in cylinder 8. So we put mystery Marvel oil in there in both of them, and now the car's running smooth. This is not what you were looking for, I know. We tested the setup for this on how to do the calculations or the testing for the woodruff keys for your timing adjustments. And that is a little bit more complicated. We would need 3 people to make the video. Okay. So this is with the engine just idling. And I'm going to put the air conditioning on. And we put it in gear. And we can see now the whole car is steady. All the vibration is gone. Could be a little bit warmer. But we will be making a video, or we're planning on, when we're going to do the, to show this on how to do the woodruff keys. That is something we still want to do. But most of the issues we had came from the worn out valve springs, which I put a complete set in there, except for cylinder 8, because we couldn't pressurize cylinder 8 enough for the valves not to fall in. And I will start the tutorial to show you here in the next couple of days, but I just wanted to give you an update of what this looks like.